back to Claydate. So we have a special guest today, my friend Blayke.
And today we are going to be making a sea turtle.
So what you'll need is some clay, a wooden board, just so you can rotate the sculpture.
You're also going to need some water and some tools to score and do the cutting.
Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is break your clay in half. And then roll it into an egg shape.
The second step is we're going to show you two different methods to make the shell shape.
So the first one is to flatten it, like that, and Blayke will show you the second one.
So the second one, you're going to take a sharp tool, and if you're using a sharp tool, you need to have appearance of revision, and you're just gonna cut it in half.
Okay, so now that we're done our shell, we're going to pinch the ends to make it a bit pointy. So just like this. So now we're finished pointing our shell.
And now you're going to make the two front flippers.
So what you're going to do is get a little bit of clay and put it into a little ball. Then you're making it into a cylinder shape. Then when you're done that, you flatten it. And then you kind of like twist it like that. Okay, so remember to score. How to score is you get some sort of pointy tool and some water. So you just kind of mark it on each end you're going to be sticking together, and then you put them together. It's kind of like a clay glue. There we go. And then you make the front flippers twice. Okay, so this is how they look right now, and now we're gonna make the hind flippers. So they're just kind of like a little raindrop. So you make a little ball again.
But this time it has to be a little bit smaller.
And then score it on. And make sure to flatten it. Make sure to repeat this step twice.
This is how they turned out.
And now we're going to make the hat. So once again, you get a little ball of clay and you round it into a ball. And then you make a cylinder. And then you can score it on. To do the face, you just cut a little slit with a knife or some sort of sharp tool. Make sure you always have parent supervision. And you just cut a little slit. And then for the eyes, you can get a little tiny bit of clay into a little ball and then make kind of like an almond shape. Or you can just, with your little scoring tool or any sharp tool, you can put 2 dots for eyes. These are how they are so far. And now we're going to do a pattern. You can do any kind of pattern, but we're going to do like a hexagon kind of shape, or you can just do like a simple square. So let's go.
This is how they turned out.
And we're going to let them dry and put it in the kiln for its first fire.
Hi guys, we had a successful firing.
And now today we are going to glaze our turtle.
So what you're going to need is glaze of your color and some water.
Also, you're going to need some brushes and a sponge just in case the glaze gets to the bottom of your sculpture.
So while you're doing this, you have to make sure that you don't get glaze on the bottom,
because it will stick to your can. And also make sure to apply 3 coats. Okay, so let's start.
So we finished glazing your turtle.
And this is how they turned out. So now we're going to put them in the can for our second firing. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks Blayke for being here.
Also, don't go away because we have a slideshow coming up right in a second.
Bye.
Bye.